Thomas. This is a YouTube based off of the awful Learning with Thomas shorts.
Percy, look! A farm!
Old McDiesel had a plan.
I can make a really great cow sound. Want to hear?
No.
Did you hear that? That sounded like a pig, but I don't see any pigs.
Grass. Grass eat cows, sleep in cows too, but in a pig pen.
Oh, pigs are so funny. But where are they? I think they like to lay in the
Grass. They call it a pig pen for no reason. They must be there, in a big open area. Is he there?
I see chickens. Where could that be? Percy! Up there! I just love farm animals.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!